Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove and replace the temperature sensor. Okay, this is the exterior temperature sensor on a Dodge Journey guys, or Fiat Freemont. It will be the same thing, the same car under two different names. So we'll have guys more than 200 videos on this car. Please guys subscribe, our mission is to save you as much money as we can. All the parts and tools, including the replacement sensor that we use, will be listed in the description of the video below. So let's go ahead and start on the process now. So now we need to go ahead, open the hood. Okay, and we'll start removing a few clips. Okay, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips guys. How you remove them, you pull the middle piece out. Okay, pull the whole clip, like that. Okay, this one is a little bit tight, you can see somebody tried to get it in the past. Okay, this one there now. Okay, one more, you can see it came loose on this side now. So now, okay, we can get it on one side. Grab and pull, there are clips underneath. Okay, that's just one more clip there. So I'll hold this thing here, okay, and pull it out, okay, just like that. So once we remove the grill guys, we can get to the temp sensor. And let me show you where that thing is located. Okay, it's this piece right here. So if you pull it down, okay, it's going to come out of the clip. Now we need to disconnect it, and how you disconnect that thing, okay, you can see the red pull right here. Okay, we need to, okay, slide it towards the back, like that. Now we need to push in, okay, right here, and pull the sensor out. This is guys, your exterior temperature sensor. This thing is very important part of the car because it not only shows you the temperature, it also adjusts fuel, air and all that stuff according to the temperature outside. So if that doesn't work guys, replace it, because your engine might be getting poor fuel economy. You might notice a little bit of lack of power as well. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.